Derby horse is a unique event.
24-mile race, runners and horses.
It's nothing like it, really.
I'm nervous, very nervous.
Where else in the world do you get to run over some crazy hills, through some rivers, lots of mud, and then people with horses come running past you as well?
The runners get a head start. You'd think a horse would win easy.
Horses struggle a lot going downhill, that's where the runners catch up.
Not trying to run over the runners.
It's all right most of the time, to be fair, but when you've got a narrow little patch, you're like, where the hell do I go?
Yes, I overtook a few horses, but then they overtook me back.
You're doing amazing. And you. The terrain was really hard, really steep.
Lots of boggy sections, some very rocky sections.
I don't know where they found some of them hills, but yeah, they put the worst hills they could find in it this year.
Slate, forestry roads, really boggy.
So yeah, it's challenging.
When we arrived, we make sure he's nice and calm. Vet check, start, and then mid-course. At the end of the day, he sets the pace.
Well, I mean, you can see the crowd. The crowd is fantastic.
I don't think there's another event that I've ever done that's anywhere near this.
Some of them views are just stunning, really. Makes the hikes up the top worth it, to be fair. So
People are either cheering for horses or cheering for you, and when you finish, you've just basically achieved one of the hardest foot races in Wales.
oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, it's such a good advert for Wales. It's quite nice to see people coming from all over the world now. I think there's Americans, Swedish, French. I think there's been quite a few different countries.
You've raced against horses. No one else can say that except for these people here.
I mean, this is an amazing event. It's what I think running should be. This has that special kind of aura. Brutal and beautiful. I mean, the first 10 miles were spicy.
It was brutal, to be fair. I think it's the hardest one I've done.
I feel great. I've got runner's high. There's a massive adrenaline kick. I am hurting, but it's all worth it.
He's happy, he's enjoying it, he's got his ears pricked forward.
Are you going to come back next year?
Oh, yeah, I think I'll do it again next year.